Okay, Brian. So this is lesson information from 10. What was yesterday? 17, I think, right? 10, 17, 18. So you're going to prioritize work on the sore etudes this week, particularly on the number 6, trying to get that some overall dynamic spectrum that you're going to basically determine on your own arbitrarily or based on your artistic instincts, and to get some separation of voices, accompaniment, and melody by trying to, as much as possible, separate the work you do for each one into the two hands, left for accompaniment, right for melody. And then also look ahead at the ones I suggested to you as possible companion pieces for number 6, and at least get 3 or 4 measures learned of one of those, and get a good read through it, and make sure it's something, number 1, that you're sure you want to do, and number 2, something that you are pretty comfortable with technically. If you've got questions or I have some issues with stickings or whatever, then you can let me know, and we can at least look at those to give you a running start on it. Aiming for number 6 for the solo duo day on November 1, which is basically 2 weeks from yesterday. I'm giving you this a day late. And then on drum set, let's check back on your solo patterns, the open rolls with accents that you were doing, and moving those patterns around the drums. And then we'll pick up the timekeeping patterns. We're going to go to Cedar Blues next time, not patterns, but etudes. Well, we're going to work on Cedar Blues, but let's put that down the road for a week or maybe even 2, and then ultimately, hopefully, get that under your hands this quarter, and then you can decide between that and major scales as a piece for your jury.